So hey guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw NGN from your Binance account. So we are just going to be using an amount of $5 to just withdraw $5. So what we are going to do first is I want to convert the dollars right here into NGN. So we just come to more, click on convert, impute the amount right there, our currency, and then we want to make it 5. Okay, and then hit convert, and that has been converted. So next thing we want to do is that we want to go back home, and then we want to click on withdraw fiat, and we are going to be choosing the way we want to get paid. So we are going to be using bank transfer method with NGN. Just wait for it a bit to load right there, and then we are going to be imputing our amount, which is 3,594.60, 6,900,594, and then we'll hit on continue. After hitting on continue, we'll just wait for it to load, and then we are going to pick a seller. So it seems as if this, let me see, this guy right here, the first guy, we are going to be using him. So we'll just click on his ads and then click on send request. So I'm seeing someone with 100% listing under 4 minutes. Okay, I think let's try out this guy. So we'll just click on send request, and we'll hit on confirm. We'll just get the code. So I'm going to pause the video a bit so that I can impute this code, then we'll come back to it. So I've imputed the code and clicked on continue, and we will be taken to the section where the person will have to pay in the money so that we can release the NGN to them. So what we are going to do is just contact them a bit and type I just placed withdrawal order on your ads. Go back, and then I'm just going to call him also to make it a bit faster. So I'm just going to pause this video again while I do this. Okay, so I didn't even have to call him. He already sent me a reply and he said I'm on it. So we are just going to wait for the payment right there, and let's just wait. Okay, so he has made payment. So what we are going to do now is just click on received and click on understand I have received payment, and hit continue, and then we'll put in the OTP that will be sent to our mail. We are just going to wait for that. So I just imputed the code right there, and it has said payment received. That is exactly how to withdraw from Binance. Quite easy and quite short. So we'll just hit on close, and that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.